In this video, I'll show you how to stream Bluetooth audio from your phone over to your new Pioneer AVH-110BT. It is really easy to stream Bluetooth audio from your iPhone over to the in-dash receiver, but please note that if you're watching this video and you have an Android device, this process is exactly the same for an Android type of phone, even though I'm doing the demonstration on an iPhone. So the first thing we want to do here is make sure that we have a connection from the phone over to the in-dash receiver, and I can see my Bluetooth logo down here lit up in blue, so I know I have a Bluetooth connection. The next thing I want to do is switch on the Bluetooth audio source. So I can touch the drop-down list here, and I want to choose Bluetooth audio, but look, I don't see Bluetooth audio in that list. Something's wrong there. So let's touch the home button over here. And under Bluetooth audio, there it is, but it's grayed out. It's not working. So we need to fix Bluetooth audio. The way you fix Bluetooth audio is really easy. Let's go to the gears up here. We'll touch the gears, and under the toolbox or the wrench and the screwdriver, let's choose AV source settings. Under AV source settings, look, Bluetooth audio is switched off. So let's touch that to switch Bluetooth audio on. Now, if I touch the home screen, you can see Bluetooth audio is ready to go there. I can select that, or I could also choose my drop-down menu and choose Bluetooth audio now. Now you can see we've made a direct connection over to the iPhone and it begins to play a track. But if you don't get a connection immediately, here's a couple of things to do to be sure. This list right here of connected phones, there's 2 phones there on the list. This radio can be connected to more than one phone at the same time. So make sure that your phone that you're trying to play music from is the connected device. That's Harry's iPhone. I can play back music from almost any music app on my phone. Here I've got a couple of different music apps that I could choose. Almost any of them will play back music through the Bluetooth audio source on your in-dash receiver. I'm just going to pick the music app here. We'll pick an artist and play a track. And you can see the in-dash receiver responds right away to the track that's being played. Here we can skip forward to the next track. If you press and hold, you can fast forward in that track. And we can skip back. We have the name of the song, the name of the artist, and the name of the album displayed on the screen. And always be sure that you've got the correct phone selected for playback. Be sure to turn up the volume on your phone before you adjust the volume on the in-dash receiver.